Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and today we get to look at, well, a really awesome lock, one which I absolutely adore, this one. And it's the Cobra lock with the tubular core. I've always wanted one of these. I've wanted one for a really long time, just because, and I know it's a bit sad, but I really like this Cobra logo. I just think it's one of the best logos in locks. And this was very kindly gifted to me by Legal Lockpicker, so please do go check out his channel. Now, it looks like a standard tubular lock, but if you just look very carefully in there, you can see that we have, well, lots of different sides on it. I don't know how many we have. I think it's 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So it's a septagon, whatever. So that's kind of cool, and you can see that in the inside of that key there as well, the number of sides. I don't know why it does that in particular, but it does, and there we go, we can get an open. I'm not going to bother trying to impression this open because I just want to have a go at picking it, see what it's like being picked. And what I might do, depending on how long it takes, I might just speed up the picking of this as well, purely because whilst these don't necessarily take an awful lot of skill, take a little bit of feel to pick, they often take quite a lot of time because there are so many pins. Anyway, let's throw it in a vise and we'll have a go anyway, and we'll see where we get to. Okay, we're in the vise. Let's use that key. There we go, and just pop it in. Yeah, that works absolutely as you'd expect. Now, if you notice, this center post does not have a notch in, and key doesn't have anything on the inside either. That means that you tension off a collar on the bottom of the keyway down here. To tension off it, you'll need a tool much like this, the Sparrow's goat's wrench, and we can tension off the center post like that, or the edge like this. I'm going to try on the center post to begin with, just more comfortable, and I'll try to keep my hand out of the way as much as possible. Let's have a go. And all you're doing is you're just touching each of these pins in turn, just to see if it's binding. If it is, you press it down a little bit more. We've got first binder, which is this pin here, and just a little press down. And so is, yep. So the last 2 pins are binding. Can take a while to just work your way around all of these pins. Okay, got another binder. And what I'm using is a homemade tool just made out of a broken key extractor I didn't need by Pickology, and it's very thin shanked stainless steel pick, so I just snipped the end off. And over the years I've actually used it tons more than I ever would a broken key extractor, as a probe and a pick for these types of tubular locks. Just works very well. Going round. Good. So so that pin there is binding again. Having to set a pin more than once signifies to me that the driver pins in this are slightly tapered. If you have to pick a pin more than once, it's probably just due to that. Let's keep going round. Yeah, so I had to pick that one twice. May need another pass at it. You just need to, it's sort of just a little light touch, just push it down that little bit more. So you can think that the lock is fully picked, and it isn't, just because you just need to set one of the pins just a tiny bit more. So you just need to keep going around. And I think we're almost there. There we go, that's one position. Good. Now, I might speed up this bit because having to pick it one more time, you have to pick one less pin position because this position here doesn't have a driver pin anymore underneath it. But nevertheless, it's still, it takes a bit of time. So I'll just try and do this as fast as I can. Okay, I think I picked that last position. Turn it, and can I? Well, let's take this out of the vise and see if I can pull that out. There we go, all opened up. Now the only bad thing about this, of course, is to close it back up. I've got to pick it all the way in reverse, but I'll probably do that off camera for you. So that is the Cobra lock, the 8500 series. Really, really, really great lock. I mean, who wouldn't want a lock with that logo on it? I absolutely love this one, especially this really chunky, thick, square cuboid body. It's just really, really brilliant. So thank you to the Legal Lockpicker for sending that to me. Really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. Please do the standard like, comment and subscribe. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you all next time.